5 laundry tips you'll want to copy. First one, mark care directly on the top tag so you're not hunting for what kind of care it needs, dry cleaning or hot water, cold water. This way you're not shrinking another sweater. Tip number 2, dish soap for stains. I love this so much because it's so simple, you don't have to guess. Whatever stain it is, whatever mystery stain it is, it gets it out. Put a little bit on there, rub it in, and then just store it in the wash. Don't overdo it, of course. But for some reason, this is the best thing that I found that works for stains. Number 3, vinegar is a softener. I think it works so well. You don't have to have any kind of weird perfumes and residue on your clothes if you use this method. Just 1 cup into your softener area that you would usually put a softener in. Pour it right in, and the smell doesn't stay. Do not mix with bleach, or it will create a toxic chemical reaction gas. Vinegar for armpits. If you need a little extra power to get those stinky post-workout armpits done, spray a little bit in there and just throw it in the wash. After washing and rinsing, it does not smell like vinegar. It works every time, and I think it works better than anything I've tried for those stinky smells. Number 4, damp dry your clothes. Put them in there for about 10 to 15 minutes till they're nice and steamy, as you see here. Why do it? Is because you're gonna get to skip ironing. You also will save energy. All you do is just stretch them out. If there's some wrinkles, even with the cotton shirts, it works really nice. Put them on a hanger and let them dry. Drying clothes in a dryer is really harsh on clothes. Hang drying them is gonna keep them looking better longer. Number 5, buy the same socks. As you see my wonderful collection of missing socks here, I am now buying socks that are all the same so I can replace the ones that are missing. If one's holy or you lost it, the pair is easy to match with the others. The mismatched socks are on mop duty going forward. Clothing cutter for packaging. I really love having this cutter in my closet because when something comes in tricky packaging and plastic, I'm able to quickly, without finding scissors, cut that tag and I'm on my way. Hope this helps you enjoy the never-ending laundry.